Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to upload photos on your Picasa account. Google Picasa and Google Photos are the same app. To upload photos on your Picasa account, you have to upload from Google Photos. To upload photos on your Picasa account, first click on browser, go to photos, photosgoogle.com. Click on sign up button. Click on go to Google's Photos. Enter your email or phone. Click on next button. Enter your password. Click on next button. Click on upload button. Select the photos you want to upload. Click on open button. Click on add to album. Click on new album. Enter the album name. Click on tick button. Here you can see your photo is successfully uploaded. To check on it is uploaded on Picasa or not, click on the browser. Go to picasaweb.google.com. Here you can see photo is successfully uploaded. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.
Yeah.